In this video, we will learn how to block someone on Discord. Here I am on my Discord account. I already have an account. If you don't have, first create one. Let's get started. To block someone on Discord, let's go to message section. Here you can a conversation between me and another person. If you want to block someone, here you can see remove friend or block option. Let's me click on block. You can see a notification you cannot send messages to a user you have blocked. You can also report spamming. From here you can uBlock. Another way to block someone is, right-click on name, here you can see, block option. You can block anyone in the way, as I do previously. In Message Logger, you can see, user log, DM delete message, wishlist, blacklist and add to notification backlist. This is how you can block someone on Discord. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.